Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 restore missing processor power management. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run commands one by one. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy reg path from description and paste it. Open attributes and change value data to 2. Close and restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.